So you finally decided to become a real estate investor. One of the first things on your mind is going to be, all right, where can I get a mortgage? Where can I get a good mortgage? So what you want to consider with the different mortgage providers out there, the financial institutions, is one, who is most accessible, because you will have a lot of questions. So you want to make sure that you can easily reach the person all the time. Second thing is, what are the rates, the mortgage rates, because that's important. That's the cost of your financing, and you have to make sure that you get a really good cost, a really good mortgage rate. Third thing is, you need to ensure that this institution is very flexible in terms of the different arrangements that are provided, the different payment terms that are there, because flexibility is the name of the game. We're doing investments, things will happen. And so we want to ensure that our mortgage provider is looking out for us. It's a partnership at the end of the day. Now, when you shop around, because you have to shop around, you are asking these questions of all the different mortgage providers. You're making sure they're accessible, the rates are good, the financing terms are flexible, and of course, how quickly can they fund the mortgage? Because we don't want to lose out on our transaction. So how quickly is this whole processing period going to happen?